Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. We are cooking again. This time I'm making a Boerewors and chickpea stew. I kid you not. The first thing you're going to do is get your butter and then about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Because it's got a very low heat tolerance, you need to add another fat to it. That's why we're adding butter. Just press down our garlic, throw it into our pestle and mortar, cumin, or ground coriander. You want it to become a paste, and that whole paste goes into your pot. Whenever you're cooking with dry spices, what you want to do is get them cooking at the very beginning. We're going to slice our onion. We're just slicing, we're not chopping, and your tomato paste goes in. Oh, it already smells good. Just want to jump in already. Grab our smoked paprika, into there it goes as well. Now our boerewors goes in. The size that you cut it is going to be smaller at the end of the day once the stew is finished cooking. Chickpeas into the pot. Porridge is outside, probably sniffing away at the door. You can't have any of this because there's onion in there. If you have dogs, don't give them onion. Our braai relish, stock, and then about 3 turns of the sea salt. I love black pepper. I believe it elevates every dish, so I'm adding as much as I can. Let it simmer away with the lid on for about 15 minutes. Oh, our stew is simmering away now. We're going to be adding baby spinach. You only want to add this at the very end of cooking your stew because you still want them to have a bit of crunch to them. Mama's Boerewors stew never looks so good. Add some of these sprouts on top just to add a bit more texture and also prettiness, you know. And the last step, Parmesan cheese, just on the top. Boom! Boerewors, chickpea and tomato stew. I'll be proud of this one. A bowl of happiness, nostalgia and just pure wholesomeness. Try it. You'll thank me later.